Hello YouTubers and eBay buyers. Here we have this 1981 brass 36-inch Hunter original. It does have a canopy on this one. For some reason it's plastic and it's not doing too good. It's already got a break right there, and this side I believe is already starting to crack. Yeah, so I'll include it, but I mean, I'm not sure how much you want to use it. Looks like it's been taped on the inside and kind of slid up there somehow. Interesting. Anyway, besides that, this fan will be complete, except for switch cap. Obviously, it did have a light cap. I took the light cap off. There's a look at the tag. There's your seal number. Finish is in pretty decent shape. It's a little scratched up here and there. The only real major issue, if I go right there, some small rust spots from where it was laying at. Besides that, switch housing looks in good shape, and the blades are in good shape, and it runs perfectly fine. So either for a collector to have in their house or for someone to make a project of it and restore. But either way, let's go ahead and go to low speed. So high, low. It's a 2-speed model, as all 36-inch Hunter originals are. This is one of the better, faster ones. I know they varied kind of through the years. And this fan is using C brackets, not reverse air or adapter. Very quiet, very light breeze on low. So go ahead and go to high speed. Everything you'll notice is this fan is very well balanced. High speed, as you can see, this thing takes off pretty well. Bearing is silent in there. Like I said, it's not wobbling, that's the chain blowing from the wind. So it's a very good runner on this one. Let's go ahead and do spin down. Like I said, this fan will be complete. It'll include grommet, J-hook, and everything you see here, plus that canopy, which I'm kind of questionable about. If you would rather, I do have metal canopies in different colors. Mainly got a bunch of white ones, so if you'd rather a white canopy, I can do that. But I don't have a good brass canopy for this fan besides that plastic one it came with. You can see by spin down, the bearings are in very good shape. Like I said, this outside is a little distressed here and there. It's a place, like I said, scratchy. There's that one rust spot on the back of the motor. But besides that, the finish is in very good shape and the fan runs very well. There you go, guys. Thanks for watching.